You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the city in Ohio, United States. If you want to learn more names from Ohio and the US that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more for you coming up at the end of this video. Cleveland. Alright, so let's break it down. A long, fairly long E sound. Cleveland. The stress is on that cle syllable. Cleveland. The second V syllable is usually not really pronounced that much. Cleveland. You can remove the middle E, so it's not Cleveland or Cleveland. Cleveland. Cleveland, Ohio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.